In 15 of the Kalki Puran is 43 slokas. The name is Mritya Vinas. If you read it, you will get Moksha. 16 Adhyaya. There are 46 slokas there. And the name is Kuthodori Vad. You will read it, you will finish sighing. 17 Adhyaya. There are 58 slokas in this Adhyaya. And the name is Ramacharita. If you read it, the Bhavarag will be finished. 18 Adhyaya. There are 47 slokas there, and their name is Chandra Surya Vangsha Kathan Kirtan. If you read it, you will be out of Bhavarag. 19 Adhyaya. 20 slokas. Manantari Varna, Manantaradi Varna. If you read it, you will get Punna. 20 Adhyaya. There are 48 slokas. The name is Kalki Sana Sangram. If you read it, Tattva will be gained. 21.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
21 Adhyaya. 35 slokas. Kok Vikok Vad. You will be fired if you read. 22 Adhyaya. There are 45 slokas. And Sasiddhas Kalki Sana Sangram. If you read it, you will find Punna. You will get Punna. 23 Adhyaya. There are 21 slokas. And the Adhyaya's name is Dharma Kalki Krita Yug Anayana. If we read it, you will be out of soap, you will be out of tap, etc., and you will be there, Purna. Next 24th Adhyaya. There are 33 slokas of this Adhyaya, and the name is Kalki Rama Vivahu. Marriage of Kalki with Rama. You will read it, the sign will be finished. 25th Adhyaya. The name of this Adhyaya is Jatismar, Sasiddhas Jatismar. There are 49 slokas there. If we see, you will be out of Bhavabandhan. 26th Adhyaya. There are 27 slokas. And that name is Bhakti Bhakta Varnan. If we read it, Sansar will be end. 27th Adhyaya. There are 36 slokas. Chakramaran. And if you read it, you will be out of he come out of sansar and will get moksha. 28 Adhyaya, 33 slokas, Vishwakarna Mochan. If you read it, all slokas will be finished. 29 Adhyaya, 15 slokas, Mahastap. If you read, all distance will be finished. 30 Adhyaya, 51 slokas, Vishnu Jas se Mukho and Bhigurab Darshan. If you read it, Adhyatmik Gyan will be gained. That one Adhyaya, 45 slokas. If you read it, Abhilash will be fulfilled. And that Adhyaya's name is Rukmini Vrata. Rukmini. Krishna's wife is Rukmini. Krishna was one wife. The name his wife was Rukmini. That Rukmini Vrata. 32 sloks was 32 adhyay, slok was 26, and the name is Kolki Bihar. And if you read it, all Shanti will be calm. 32, 33 adhyay, 36 sloks, Kolki Nirvan. Will we get peace? 34 adhyay, 15 sloks, the name is Ganga Stop, Pap will be finished. And at last, 35 adhyay, 39 slok, and it is Sut Kartik Kolki Purana, and will get Dharma. There are 1452 sloks and Mangalacharan 7. 1446 sloks plus Mangalacharan slok 7. 1449 slok there. If we read this Kolki Purana, if his mind will be clear, holy, if his mind will be holy and his heart will be holy, his heart will be Mahan. And if you follow clearly and rightly, you will go to Mahamanav from Manav.